Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to make a curved corner, okay, by using ceiling mode. Alright, let's get into it. First, we come into customize, okay, then we go into ceiling, okay. After select already, then we select one of the wall, okay. Then we select the wall, we can just press this filler, okay. So to add, we come into this section library, we come into corner. I'll use this one called 4. On the page 4, I will use this one. Okay, page 4, this one, drag and drop like this. So depending on your curve is how big and all. So maybe mine is like go for 200. Okay, as you can see here, it's big, right? So this is not what I want. So I can delete first. Okay, select this one at the edge, okay, at the edge here, okay, then press filler, then drag and drop like this. So it's only affect 1, okay, then the next only you can press into 200 or 500, let's say 500, okay, put into here, there's something like this, okay. If you feel it not so what, okay, they can just go in some more. Okay. After that, you just press complete. Okay, and then you put your color. There you go. So you have a curve. Okay, from 2D you can't see lah, but from 3D it can't. Okay, so if you know you want to change color, you also can change color lah, plain color. Okay, so hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.